Assalamualaikum. My name is Hadijah Dania binti Muhammad Nur Azmi. My matrix number is 2019-227692. So today I will present about the preparation of installation disk. So before you start to install or do anything, you have to connect your USB drive to your computer. So I use the hard disk USB drive to connect to my computer before installing it. Okay, so the first step you need to do is open the Google Chrome. Okay, after that you need to search media creation tools. Okay, this is the first result, and then you click the first result here. Okay, so scroll down, see this download tool. Okay, just wait for the download to be done. After it's done, open it. Okay, click open. And we're waiting for the install. Okay, then now there's applicable notice and license terms. So you just need to scroll, or you just click the accept button. After you click, you have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, after that you just have to click create installation media USB, since we choose the USB drive to download this. So click this and then you click next. So the setting, okay, click next again. Okay, so you click the USB flash drive. Make sure it USB flash drive. Okay, so next. Okay, and then you click your own USB that you have connect to the PC. Okay, you click this, and then you just have to wait a few minutes again. Okay, now the Windows 10 are being downloaded, so we have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, so now the download is finished and already in my USB flash drive. So click finish, and then so that's it from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noria binti Ruslan. My matrix number is 2019269436, and I'm going to explain about the installation of the virtual machine part 1. So for our virtual machine, we choose the Workstation 16 Pro. So first you have to open your Chrome and search for the VMware Workstation Pro trial download. After that, it will appear the download VMware Workstation Asian, so you click on it. After that, wait for it first process, and then you scroll down and you will find the Workstation 16 Pro for Windows, and then you click on download now. But for this video, I downloaded the Workstation earlier because it takes several minutes to wait. So after you click download now, you click on the virtual machine and click open. After that, it will appear like this, and it's preparing your VMware Workstation for installation. Next, it will appear like this, and it is preparing the VMware Workstation for the installation. For this part, we have to wait for several minutes to make it ready for the installation. After that, it will appear for the preparing install. So you just have to wait again for a few minutes. So after preparing the installation, it will appear like this, which means the Workstation Pro is ready to be installed. So after that, you have to just click next, and then it will appear the license agreements, which you have to read, and it will be from the up until you scroll down to down, and then you click on the I accept the license agreement and just click next. After that, it will be two options, but you just have to leave it and you have to read the first option and the second option, but you have to click on the second option only and proceed to next. So after you click next, you open the user experience settings, which have two options. So for this option, you unclick both of it, and for the second part, you just scroll down and then you click next. So for the next part, it will create a shortcut for the Workstation Pro, which is on desktop and the start bar menu. So you just proceed to next, and then there is ready to be, the Workstation Pro is ready to be installed. So you just have to click installs and wait for several minutes for it for the installation progress. So after the installation progress it's done, it will appear for the license key, but just click X and then it will appear the license key, and you skip and then click button finish, and then you click on the VMware that appear on your desk. So after you click on the VMware Workstation Pro, you play two options, which is for the license key and to try the Workstation 60 Pro for 60 days. So you click on the Workstation Pro for 60 days and just click continue. It will appear the thank you for the evaluating for Windows 16 Pro, and click finish, and the Windows 60 Opera is finally can be opened and used and be installed in your laptop. So for the next part is creating a new virtual machine. So first you have to open the VMware Pro Workstation and then click on the create a new virtual machine, and then it will appear two options, which is typical and custom one. So click on the typical, which is recommended, and proceed to finish. So after you click finish, it will appear the guest operating system installation. So it will appear the installer disk for the first option. Second is installer disk image file ISO, and I will install the operating system later. So click on the I will install the operating system later and proceed to next. After that, it will appear the select a guest operating systems, and it will appear four options, but choose the Microsoft Windows, and for the version you click on the Windows 10 times 64 and proceed to next. And the virtual machine name will be the Windows 10 times 64, and the location will be on the documents. So after that, you click next, and then it will appear the specific disk capacity, but I change it from 60 into 20.0 and click on the split the disk into multiple files, and then just click next, and then it will be all the location, the names of the window, the versions, and many more. So after in this part, you can also customize the hardware into your own ideal settings. You can change the memory, the processor based on your memory or the blank disk. After that, after you have customized the settings, you can just click close. So after you click close, and you just proceed click the finish, and it's done. So you have created the virtual machines on the VM Pro Workstation 16 Pro. That's all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hazin Hazidah binti Muazmi. I'm from class 4E and my metric number is 2019239392. and then you must click Start up the guest operating system and wait for the VMware to start it. For the Windows, choose the language that you prefer and then click on the Next button. And then click the Install Now and just wait for the software to install. Then you must choose Windows 10 Home, then click Next. After that, you have to click I accept the license terms and then you need to click Next button. For this, you need to choose custom the Windows only and then you can click the Next button. Now you need to wait for the installing Windows, and this installing will take some time and you have to be patient to do this. After the installation of the Windows 10 is complete, it will restart the device with the machine before the Windows 10 can be used on the virtual machine. Now it restarting the computer and we have to wait before we can sign up and set up the Windows account. After finish the installing and restarting the Windows, then choose the region. For this one, I choose United States and click Yes button, and we have to wait for a moment. For this right keyboard layout, you just need to click United States and then you just click Yes button. And if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can click Add Layout. If you don't want, you can just click the skip button and just wait for a moment. If you have the Microsoft account, just sign in and click Next. And then verify your account and click the Next button and just wait for a moment. Okay, now our Windows 10 almost done to be used. Just need to wait several minutes before you can use this Windows 10. Okay, finally this is our Windows 10.
Hi, my name is Fifi Iliana binti Roslan with metric number 2019806668. I will continue the presentation with the step 4, which is setting up the operating system. Right-click and click the properties, and then scroll down for the themes and select the theme to change the background. Then click the desktop icon setting and click all the desktop icon, which is computer, user files, network, and click OK. And now the wallpaper has changed, and then I will demonstrate how to perform this PC. And click the right manage, select this management. Right click on this one, choose strings volume. I enter the 10,000 to estimate the 3 GB, and the partition has been done. Next. So the partition has been created. So to check in, I go to this PC, So here if you can see a new partition for storage area. Okay, that's performed for partition. Okay, now I will set up the visual memory. First click right click and go to properties and click to advanced and setting, and the system properties. In performance, which is and member usage to setting up, and click on advanced. So here the visual, and you can change and click for the maximum size. So for this we take the recommended size, and for the maximum size for system, it's installed for RAM. So enter. $1024 multiply with 16, and we got the number 60,304 multiplies 1.5, and we got the amount. And then we write for the maximum size, which is the number. And then click on set, click OK, apply, click OK. So you need to start to apply these changes. So you can start it. And next I will demonstrate how to create a user. First go to setting and click on account, and on the left we found that family and other users. Click and put the name of someone else for this user, and then click on this person information. So he asks for the details and put the details down. So screen, username, put the password for a secure username, and create the user account to proceed the Microsoft email. So next, so the user can be created. So the user, you can change the account, and you can set as a user or admin. So I choose for admin. Okay, so the account be created. Check at the Windows. Yes, you can sign out and sign in. Okay, next, how to create a group account. And go to computer management and main screen and other menu, go to other site group and get the users for groups.